Alright folks, this is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 728 to Sacramento. Arriving on track number 2. 6965 Point St. George leading this one off. That is a Point St. George. Alright, with a SEMA charger. Alright, we'll be right back after these commercials. Okay, folks, we are back. This is Amtrak 728. Eyeballing at Oakland Jet London Square Station. 6965. That's a Point St. George leading off of this one. Alongside with SC44 SEMA charger 2102. Alright folks, taking that train to Sacramento. A friendly reminder folks, please travel light while you're going on the trains or any other places. Please travel light. Do not be traveling heavy because you will delay the train. Like that person did, have a suitcase and a box and something they bought from Chinatown. So once again, friendly reminder, please travel light. Thank you. Alright folks, that train is off to Sacramento. I'm Marcel Hall. Please like, share, subscribe to me on YouTube. Or tell your colleagues about me. Gotta go. Bye-bye.